In today's video, I'll teach you how to add gas app in ReelShort. First of all, what you have to do is launch open ReelShort application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. This interface will not be recorded. At bottom, you'll be able to find various icons over here. Tap on the profile icon that you'll be able to see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, you'll be led to the profile interface. In this interface, what you have to do is find the option for My Wallet and tap on it. Now, you can see over here you'll be led to the My Wallet interface. So if you want to add the gas app, you'll be able to do it by simply navigating to the coin purchase section. For that, what you have to do is tap on this option refill that you'll be able to see in this interface. Now you'll be led to the store interface. Over here you'll be able to see the coin balance. Also you'll be able to see the refill section over here. You can see various coin packages. Tap on the coin package of your choice. Now you have to pay for it. In order to pay for it, you'll be able to find various payment methods over here. Varying on your reason, the payment methods will be available. Right now, Gas App option is not available for me. But if your reason allows it, Gas App option will be available for you. All you have to do is tap on it. After you do that, follow the on-screen prompts, complete the transaction within the Gas App interface. Now the payment will be confirmed. So like this, you'll be able to buy the coins. So like this, gas app will be added to the ReelShort. So that is how you add gas app in ReelShort. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.